Hello, welcome back to 𝒓𝒂𝒅𝒊𝒏𝒈 YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. This is your first time of visiting this channel. Do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like and refer this channel to your network so that YouTube pushes to a high level of audience. Okay. In today's video, we're gonna discuss something that will separate you from consistent losses and put you into consistent profit making. And the topic is Deriv Multipliers Arbitrage Trading Course. Make 10,000% profit weekly. Every week you are sure of 10,000% profit. That is times 100 of whatever you started with. Okay, so you really need to understand arbitrage, but then you need to understand multipliers. Okay, so I want to shortly show you multiplier on a demo account because I cannot show you my private account because for security reasons. Okay, so it's invisible right now. This is volatility 100 1s multipliers. We are on a multiplier market. If it is not set to multiplier market, you can see it when you click there on the column. You see multipliers there. And so we have these multiplier levels: level 1 times 10, level 2 times 30, level 3 times 50, level 4 times 100, level 5 times 200. Other volatility or continuous indices also have different spectrum, like different values. Okay, they have different values. So we'll be dealing with volatility indices. They have different values. We're dealing with volatility indices. Boom and crash market also have multiplier, but we will not be trading boom and crash because of the odd level requirement. Okay, because of the odd level requirement. So this is what I mean by multipliers. So in the course, you will learn how to select the right multiplier level. You will learn the stake, how to calculate the stake you are going to use. Okay, and you will learn how to set your take profit. We don't have stop loss because in arbitrage trading there is no loss. So you are guaranteed 100% profit each time you make a trade. Each time you place a trade, you are going to win. Okay, you are going to make profit. You are going to end up with a profit. That is the essence of arbitrage trading. There's no loss. Okay, I will give you an instance of what arbitrage is. Let me give you an instance of what arbitrage is. Okay, take for instance, this is like I'm going to use an analogy of football, then I'll bring it back to the Deriv multipliers. I'll bring it back to Deriv market. Okay, take for instance, we have match between two teams. Let's take Man U and Man City. Okay, Man U and Man City, Manchester United and Manchester City. Okay, so this team are playing. Okay, the arbitrage is that if like there are two bookmakers. We have BK1 bookmaker 1 and bookmaker BM, that's bookmaker. Okay, bookmaker 2. Bookmaker is like a website where you can go and place a bet, right? So if Man U versus Manchester City, if the odd of Man U win is 2 odd here, and the odd of Manchester winning is 3 odd, and then this is related to bookmaker 1, right? So if bookmaker 2 present Man U with odd of 3 and Man City with odd of 5, okay, you see that there is arbitrage because You can go to one of the bookmaker and play Man U straight win, and go to the other bookmaker and play Man City straight win. Okay, now let's also assume that we have bookmaker 3. Okay, we have bookmaker 3. Okay, and you go to bookmaker 3 and play draw, because the draw at this time might be given, the draw out might be just 3. Let's assume the draw is 3 here, and also the draw here is also 3. Okay, so when you use arbitrage software, the arbitrage software is going to give you a net income. It's going to give you a net outcome. Okay, the arbitrage software is going to give you a net outcome, like a net profit of like a positive result, a positive result. Like it's going to give you a profit, the net profit. Okay, because you cannot lose. So even if they play draw, okay, let's assume they play draw. Okay, and in bookmaker 1 you play home win, and in bookmaker 2 you play away win. You will lose bookmaker A and lose bookmaker, you lose bookmaker 1 and lose bookmaker 2, but you will win bookmaker 3. When you win in bookmaker 3, you will recover all the losses in bookmaker 1 and 2. Are you getting it? So that is arbitrage. But this arbitrage is of low grade. This type of arbitrage in football is of low grade, and they pay small amount of net profit. So you can make, like, the profit you are going to make in Deriv multipliers is far bigger than what you are going to see here, because I'm the one that is deploying sophisticated mathematical principle to make it work, right? Because the strategy will show you how to get big odds, so that the net return on investment per trading session is 250%. So before I continue this video, I'm going to talk about the arbitrage. What is it? Arbitrage means trading 2 or more assets at the same time, in which the outcome ends with profit for all times. Hence, there is no loss. So in this arbitrage system, there is nothing like 2 companies. There's nothing. In football, you involve 2 bookmakers, involve 2 companies. But here, there's nothing like 2 companies. We'll be deploying differential assets. So we'll be trading on different assets with different odd levels, but with 100% certainty, meaning that 2 trades from different assets will be in such a way that they will have a net outcome. Does not matter what individual trade is doing. What matters is the net outcome. Okay, so it can be 2 trades or more. Okay, so these are the things you are going to learn in the course. So the strategy, we deploy resistance, support, trend, season, market dynamics, energy state to make this thing work. The arbitrage software is free, so we will be taught what is net return on investment, because it is this net return on investment that will generate you 10,000% per week. So we'll be deploying rollover strategy or compounding strategy. Okay, so we'll be deploying compounding strategy. This compounding strategy will be deployed or applied on return on investment or ROI per trading session. Okay, it will be deployed. I'm going to show you what I mean by this. Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean by compounding or rollover strategy. Now let me go to this is my calculator, right? Now, if return on the net, like the net return on investment or the net ROI is 215%, which is 2.15. Okay, if you have 6 trading sessions and you reinvested everything, both capital and profit, because there is no loss, that is arbitrage. You can never lose in arbitrage. So if you reinvest everything after each trading session for 6 times, you are going to make 98.77 all. Okay, 8.77 odd, when you convert it to percentage, you are going to multiply by 100. So if you take it to nearest 1,000, that is 10,000%. That is 10,000%. Okay. So you will actually trade 6 trades. Like you will actually trade up to 6 trading sessions. Maybe every day you get you pass 1 trading session, or in a day you can pass 1 or more, like 2 trading sessions. So that's why I say it's not a must. It should be 1 week. It could be less than a week, less than 7 days, something like that. So when I say weekly there means anything between 0 to 7 days. Okay, so that's cool. That's cool. Very powerful idea. But I feel like I need to do this thing to support the community. Okay, so we have compounded net return on investment is 10,000%. We also have compounded full return on investment. Now, this one we are going to be taught in the course what it is. It's different from the compounded net return on investment. So that is the advantage of getting this course. Okay, so you are going to be taught what it is. Okay, I've talked about 6-stage rollover method. You are going to be taught how to actually get the signals and do it, because the main thing is how to get the signal, how to calculate the odd levels, how to place the trade, how to put your take profit, how to. There's nothing like managing risk. There's nothing like stop loss. You don't need to lose. You will even be praying for loss, but that loss will not come. Imagine you are praying to lose money, but that loss will not come. You see, this course is very, 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 very precious and priceless. Meaning that if I tell you to enroll for this course for $10,000, you are going to do. If I tell you to enroll for this course for $20,000, you are going to do. Why? If you have been trading for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, and you have lost money, and suddenly you have a breakthrough that anytime you trade you are not going to lose, you will likely going to subscribe to that course. Right now, what I'm now going to do is I'm not going to make these things to be so expensive, or or to make it to be hard on traders to have access to. You see, this course is going to be very, 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 very cheap. As cheap as going to McDonald's and buying some food, or going to KFC and buying some stuff. Okay, it will be very, very cheap for the first 100 enrollees that will come to this course. But after the first 100 enrollees, the cost of getting this course will go by 100 times. Imagine going by 100 times, because the cost will be, priced at 3 figure. Okay, which will be priced at 3 figure, meaning that for the first 100 people, they will be paying something like between $100 to $200. Okay, then if the first 100 people have come and you are not among them, you are just coming late, you are going to pay times 100. Imagine how will you feel when you pay times 100. So when you pay times 100, it means you are now paying, let's say if it is priced at, okay, definitely I'm putting a flat rate on this course. Once you be among the first 100 people that will go for this course, you are only paying $150. So if you fail to get this opportunity right now, it will skyrocket like meme coin or any cryptocurrency that I used to pump. It will skyrocket to $15,000. Imagine, it will skyrocket to 15, because let me show you what I mean. This is $150, then times 100. This is $15,000. So the one thing with my product is I can decide to change the price by doing some discount or doing some Black Friday, yeah. But what if you still miss those opportunities? Because if somebody can run promo and when you come the promo is gone, how would you feel? So take the advantage now. Okay, get this course. You will deposit $150 10 times and you lose it. But now a course that is asking you to just invest one part of those losses you have lost, and the one you are going to lose in future, and then you'll be like, I don't want. I want to be losing this way It's better I lose than to buy a course. Self-development is key to wealth. Knowledge is power. Bill Gates, Elon Musk, if they don't have knowledge, their company will not grow, they will collapse. That is the power of seeking knowledge. Seek knowledge today and become progressive. Okay, I'll be ending this video. So we need at least middle multiplier in the multiplier spectrum of an asset, and then we have untriggerable liquidation price. So there's nothing like liquidation. So our liquidation price is there for celebrity, meaning that there is no liquidation. So that's cool. Thank you and bye for now.